Hello everyone. In this session, we will learn the step-by-step process to set up the VA mobile application, and we will also learn how to use the VA mobile application. This training aims to provide you with the knowledge of VA mobile application setup and utilization. Let's cover the prerequisites for using the VA mobile application. Two modules are required to be installed on our system. First, we need mobile support with a version above 2.0.7.0. Second, we need API services with a version above 1.0.2.1.0. In addition to these modules, we also need to obtain the API access key from the support team. They will provide both an encrypted and a decrypted key. We should then enter the encrypted key in the system config window under the web services URL record. This is our Onfinity system, and I have logged in with super user credentials. Here we have the market module, and with this module, we can install the modules required to set up the VA mobile application. To begin, click on the market module. Search for the modules required in the search box. Here, I am searching for mobile support. After finding the mobile support module, check the version and install version 2.0.7.0 or above version. Next, search for the other required module, which is API services. Check the version of API services and install version 1.0.2.1.0 or a later version. Now, go to the menu and search for System Config. Open the System Config window. Here, we need to create a new record to add the access key obtained from the support team. Provide the name web service URL. Add the access key received from the support team. The record type should be set to other customizations. The configuration level should be set to System. Here, provide a description. In this window, add the access key that you require to set up the VA mobile application. Now, let's understand the system configurations we need to run the VA mobile application. As we said previously, we should add the access key. Also, the user must have access to generate the QR code form for login. To receive notifications or alerts from the VA mobile application, we need to enable push notifications. Now, let's see how to configure all of this in the Onfinity system. Here is the Onfinity system, and I have logged in with admin credentials to grant access. Here is the menu, and here, search for the role window. In this role window, we have all the defined role records. Search for the role that the login user has. I am searching for the employee role. Now, go to the tab called Form Access. Here, click on New Record. In the Page field, search for the form Generate QR Code and select it. Click on the Save button so that the record will be saved. Now, search for the window named User Management. Search for the login username. My username is Nikita, and I am searching for it. Under Other Settings, check whether push notification is enabled or not. If it is enabled, then we will receive notifications from the VA mobile application. We can now install the Onfinity application on our mobile devices. If it is an iOS device, we can install it from the App Store. If it is an Android device, we can install it from the Play Store. In the search box, search with the name Vienna Advantage. Then, we will find the application. Install the application. To sign into the app, the user can scan the QR code from the mobile linking form by clicking on the Scan button in the mobile application. After that, you need to enter a password for additional security. If desired, you can add an app lock. Now, let's see how to scan the QR code. As you can see, this is how to log into the VA mobile application, and here is my mobile application. After clicking the Scan button, it will allow us to scan the QR code. For the QR code, we have to open the mobile linking form from the menu. Here is the menu. Now, I am searching for mobile linking. Now, we can see this is the mobile linking form. Here is the QR code. You can also see the list of devices that are connected to or have scanned this QR code. Now, I am going to scan this QR code from my mobile device. After scanning the QR code, you have to enter the password in the password field for extra security. Now, you will enter this screen. Here, If you want to have any lock screen, you can set it up. Otherwise, you can simply click on I do not need a lock screen. Now, I am going to click on I do not need a lock screen. After that, we will enter the welcome screen of the mobile application. Here, the two-factor authentication feature is also available. To enable this, the admin will grant access from the user management window. After that, the user will receive an OTP on the mobile application for additional security. To enable two-factor authentication, log in with admin credentials. Now, open the user management window from the menu. Here is the menu. I am searching for the user management window. Select or search for the user to whom you are going to provide two-factor authentication. Here, I am searching for the user Nikita. Now here, there is a section called Security Setting. Click on the Show More button here. Now, you can see the field two-factor authentication method. Then, here you can see a Google Authenticator option and a mobile app option. Select the mobile app option. Now, save the record. Now, the two-factor authentication option will be enabled for the user Nikita. The admin can disconnect any mobile device that is connected to or that is signed in to the Onfinity ERP. To disconnect a mobile device, open the mobile support window from the menu. Select the device for which you are going to disconnect. Open that record. Then, click the Disconnect Devices button and confirm it. That device will then be automatically signed out or disconnected from the Onfinity ERP. Now, to disconnect any mobile device that is signed into the Onfinity ERP, log in with admin credentials. Open the mobile support window from the menu. Now, here is the menu, and I am searching for mobile support. Then, open the mobile support window. Here, in the mobile support window, you can see all the devices that are connected to this Onfinity ERP. Now, select the device to which you are going to disconnect. Here, I am selecting this record. Now, you can see the Disconnect Device button. Click on that and confirm it. Also, confirm the app. Then finally, click on OK. Now the mobile device will be automatically signed out from the Onfinity ERP system. That concludes this session. Thank you for attending.